Hello everyone. In this lesson, I am going to teach you the usage of could in 3 minutes. All you have to do is watch the lesson till the end. You can also subscribe to our channel to get such informative lessons in the future as well. So let's begin. Could is used to talk about past abilities. For example, Raj could play chess when he was 6. In my younger days, I could run for longer hours. He could speak several languages. I could ride a horse when I was younger, but now I can't. In all the above sentences, could is used to talk about abilities in the past. Could is also used to make polite request. For example, could you wait a moment please? I am busy right now. Could you call back later? Could I borrow your book? Could I ask a question please? In the above examples, could is used to make polite request. Next we will discuss could in the form of could have. Could have is used to talk about past possibility that didn't happen. Why did you do that? You could have broken your leg. You could have completed the project last night. In both of these sentences, the usage of could have refers to a possibility in the past. Could have is also used to talk about anything in the past which you didn't do, but you don't have any regrets with it. I could have continued with my previous job. I could have stayed in Delhi. In both of these sentences, I am using could have to talk about something which I didn't do in the past, but I don't regret not doing it. Could is also used to talk about something that is untrue. For example, you couldn't have seen Ram this morning. He is in America. He couldn't have painted that. He has no artistic ability at all. She must have made a mistake. It couldn't be true. A firework couldn't have done all that damage. In all these sentences, I am talking about the situations that are not true. Some other usages of could are: we use could to refer to single event that happened in the past with verbs of senses: smell, taste, see, hear, touch, etc. and mental processes: think, believe, remember, understand, etc. For example, the food was terrible. I could taste nothing but salt. We knew they were in there. We could hear voices inside. He came and spoke to me, but I couldn't remember his name. This was all about our today's lesson on could. You can also watch the lessons on should and would to have a better understanding about modal auxiliary verbs. I will leave the link in the description. If you have understood the lesson, so please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.